Imagine driving a truck that doesn't just take you places, but redefines the very meaning of luxury on wheels. Today on RV TourHub, we're diving into the 2026 Peterbilt 6x6 Motorhome Truck, a beast that combines raw power with unmatched comfort, making every road trip an experience you'll never forget. From its rugged exterior to its sophisticated interior, this motorhome is built for those who demand performance without compromising on style. Stepping inside, the first stop is the kitchen, and let me tell you, this is where smart design meets full functionality. The 2026 Peterbilt Motorhome kitchen comes equipped with a spacious countertop, induction cooktop, high-capacity refrigerator, and a modern microwave. Storage is cleverly built in with pull-out drawers and soft-close cabinets, keeping all your essentials organized and within reach. Whether it's a quick snack between destinations or a full gourmet meal, this kitchen is ready to handle it all. The sleek finishes and LED lighting make it feel more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Next, we move to the bedroom, and this space takes comfort seriously. The bed is wide and supportive, designed for restful sleep after long days on the road. Ambient lighting, plush linens, and thoughtful storage solutions around the bed create a retreat-like atmosphere. Overhead cabinets, side shelves, and hidden compartments ensure you have space for clothing, gear, and personal items, while large windows bring in natural light during the day and frame stunning views at night. Privacy and comfort are at the heart of this bedroom. Now let's step into the living area, and this is where the motorhome truly shows off its versatility. Plush, deep seating invites relaxation, while panoramic windows let you enjoy the scenery wherever you park. A premium entertainment system with a smart TV and surround sound turns the living area into a mobile cinema. The dinette can easily convert into extra sleeping space for guests, and multiple USB ports and outlets make it perfect for streaming, working, or charging devices. It's a space designed for both comfort and connectivity. Finally, we arrive at the bathroom, a place many motorhomes compromise on, but not the Peterbilt 6x6. The bathroom features a spacious shower, modern sink, and high-quality toilet. Smart storage, durable surfaces, and excellent ventilation make it functional and luxurious. Everything is designed to keep you comfortable and organized, even on long trips. The 2026 Peterbilt 6x6 Motorhome Truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving home that combines strength, style, and luxury in one incredible package. If this beast has you dreaming of the open road, hit like, subscribe to RV TourHub, and comment below where you take this ultimate motorhome first.